Hey y'all, so today I'm gonna be reviewing a product line that is like going crazy on Instagram. And so that product line is the Crayon case. If you have not heard about the Crayon case, listen sis, you need to get on it because it's black owned for one, and it's by this girl named let me give y'all her Instagram name. Her Instagram name is super underscore scent. I follow her for years on Instagram. She is so funny. But y'all, she recently started her new makeup line, and like it's called the Crayon case. I'm like super excited. It's called the Crayon case, and y'all know I'm not too good at makeup, so I was like, when I'm gonna order, I need to order something so I can review it. So what I decided to order was some lip gloss. But this lip gloss is y'all. So the two colors that I got is clean kiss and soft twerk. And so like her line is so cute, y'all. So I'm looking at her site right now so I can give y'all some like better information about it. So like I said, the name of the line is Crayon Case. So the lip glosses that I got, they're called, this is the Hall Pass collection. And she has the Hall Pass collection. She has colored pencils, which are like lip liners. Y'all, this is so cute. She has brush cleaners, which is, you know, just like what it sounds like, a brush cleaner. She has number two brushes. Y'all, this is so cute, which is um, like makeup brushes. She has more lipstick. She has a contouring notebook, which is like a contouring like set to for like contouring your face. She has a Watch Me blush palette. Y'all, she got all type of makeup on her site, and it's very affordable. So these were $6 each, and I'm going to show you guys how they work. So I'm going to start off with this one. And I wore this one. Oh my goodness, y'all. This is so cute. So look. I don't know if y'all can see that. I don't think it's going to zoom in enough for y'all. But so on the side of the lip gloss, right, it says Hall Pass. It says student name, Crayon Cutie, homeroom, Slay Academy, teacher, Crayon Case. That is so stinking cute, y'all. That is so cute. I'm so proud of Super. Listen, y'all, she is so inspiring. Follow her on Instagram. I'm sorry, I got my dog cage all in the background. He got a new cage, and he loves it, so. But anyway, so I'm going to try this on. I've already wore this one before, and so yeah, I'm going to try it on for y'all so we can check it. So my mirror right here, that's what I'm looking at if y'all see me looking. So just by opening it, like you can definitely tell this will last longer because it's more of like a thicker consistency. It's not watery, which is, I like it. I like that. It's more creamy base. And see, like I know it's a lot in here, but when I do this, it's like it gives you just enough because the way it's made in the inside of the top. So this is how the little brush is made, which is really cute and soft on your lips. On the bottle, it has the Crayon case. And so, mmm. I'm gonna sit back a little bit so y'all can kind of see the real color of it against my skin. So this one is like a nude lip gloss. I like it. How I've been wearing it, which is really cute. I've been wearing it with a brown lip liner because, you know, like it can be like a little bright for my skin, but I'm like, I'm finna wear it anyway. So I just throw on like some brown liner with it, and then boom, like you ready to go, sis. So I'm definitely gonna order more. I wish I could do makeup like really good because I will order like the palette and all that, but girl, I can't do no makeup, so yeah. And like it's like pigmented, but it gives you like a little glow gloss. But you can still tell I got it on. It's real fly. It's real summer ready. The Clean Kiss. So now I'm going to wipe this off and I'm going to put on the other one and we're going to go from there. So now we're going to do the next one. And this color is Soft Twerk. And this is the color. Y'all, I love pinks and purples. So this one is like a pink color. It's a really pretty pink color. I'm going to try to, I don't know, I didn't order a purple. I'm going to get on there and see if she got a purple though. And if so, sis, I'm going to go and get it. And so same thing, it goes on really nice and soft. Ooh, super. Ooh, super. 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 I'm here for this. So this one I have not worn yet. Ooh, girl. Girl. I'm so proud of you, Super. I know you don't watch my videos. I know you don't watch my videos, girl, but just in case, I'm so proud of you. Look at this pink. She did her thing, bro. She did her thing. Like, girl, this is cute. Like, I'm gonna keep this on for my next video. I want to make sure I got it all in good. This is cute. And so, like, it's a lip gloss, but it has, like, a little pigment to it. This is cute, y'all, for real. I'm so proud of her. Like, y'all need to follow her on Instagram. Y'all need to follow the Crayon Case on Instagram. Y'all need to buy from the Crayon Case. Even if you don't do makeup or you don't know too much about makeup like myself, order you some lip glosses. Like, I'm gonna go back on there and order, like, all colors, because this is cute. Super. Super, super, super. This is cute. Y'all, and $6, like, that's not bad. And it's good product, obviously, because I don't feel like it's running. I don't feel like it's gonna come off. My lips is glossy, and my lips, I can't stand for my lips to be dry. If it's not matte lipstick, then I cannot stand for my lips to be dry. But this, honey, take a picture right now. Screenshot this right now. Send it to Super. Screenshot this and send it to Super, and tell her that this Soft Twerk, honey, this Soft Twerk is the truth. And like I said, this is a black-owned business. I really like her product, so let me just give a little final rundown of it. All of her, they go on really soft. Her lip glosses go on really soft. They give you a shine, honey. They just give me summer vibes. It might be this hair with this lipstick, but honey, I got summer vibes all day today. And let me check the weather, because it's probably cold. Georgia always flip-floppy. Georgia's like a bad relationship, like, just flip-floppy. But girl, it's 55 outside, but this lip gloss got me feeling like it's like 80, honey. I can't wait to order some more. So I definitely give these lip glosses a 10. It's like I already knew they was gonna be good before, like, I bought them. I'm probably gonna order something else. Like, let me get on her site now. She got eyeshadow, like, brushes. She got highlighted powder. She got, like, sponges, like, what are they called? Like, beauty sponges that look like erasers. So basically, her whole line is based on like school, if I'm saying it right. Yeah, because even this, she got this honor roll highlighter. It's like a highlighter set, y'all, and it's for $18, and it looked big, so that is really really good. Let's see, sis got eyelash glue, so she got eyelashes. So I'm probably gonna order me some eyelashes and some more stuff from her. But anyways, if you haven't yet, check out the crayon case. And I hope you guys like this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will definitely talk to y'all later.